This isn't your average camper, and it certainly wasn't built for campground life. What you're about to discover is a vehicle engineered for extreme environments, maximum security, and complete self-reliance no matter where the road, or lack of one, takes you. Welcome back to Roam Rides, the channel where we showcase extreme vehicles, heavy-duty builds, and purpose-built machines designed for serious adventures. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most formidable and capable Overland vehicles available, the 2026 Ford F550 6x6 armored camper. This incredible platform combines military-inspired toughness, luxurious camper accommodations, and outstanding off-road capability into one unstoppable package. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design, interior living quarters, engine and performance, technology features, safety and armor protection, pricing, ownership costs, purchasing options, major advantages, and ultimately whether this armored expedition camper is a worthwhile investment for buyers in the United States. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Ford F550 6x6 armored camper is designed with strength and functionality at its core. Built on an extended heavy-duty chassis and equipped with a true six-wheel drive conversion, it offers significantly greater traction and load-carrying ability than a conventional truck. Massive off-road tires, reinforced steel bumpers, integrated recovery equipment, impressive ground clearance, and a fully armored camper body give it an unmistakably commanding presence. Every aspect of the design emphasizes durability, protection, and long-range expedition capability, making it clear that this machine is intended for serious missions rather than casual travel. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that balances rugged practicality with long-term comfort. The living area features a reinforced yet comfortable seating arrangement that serves as a lounge, dining area, and sleeping space when needed. Durable materials throughout the cabin are selected to withstand constant vibration and demanding off-road conditions. The kitchen section is built for reliable operation in remote environments, featuring a sturdy cooking system, secure appliance mounts, heat-resistant work surfaces, generous counter space, and storage compartments engineered to remain closed during rough travel. Moving to the sleeping quarters, occupants can expect a full-size or queen-size bed mounted on a reinforced frame. Overhead storage compartments, reading lights, and advanced insulation help create a comfortable environment whether traveling through scorching deserts or freezing climates. Completing the living space is a compact but highly functional bathroom. Typically designed as a reinforced wet bath, it includes a toilet, sink, and shower, allowing travelers to maintain comfort, privacy, and independence even in isolated or challenging locations. While the living amenities are impressive, the true character of this vehicle becomes evident when examining its powertrain and off-road capability. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F550 6x6 armored camper is expected to utilize Ford's trusted 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel V8 engine. Known for producing substantial torque, this engine is specifically suited for hauling heavy loads and handling demanding towing requirements. It's paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission that has been upgraded to manage the additional weight created by armor protection, expedition equipment, and camper systems. The result is dependable performance whether cruising on highways, climbing steep grades, or navigating difficult terrain such as mud, sand, snow, and rock. Performance is focused entirely on capability rather than speed. The six-wheel drive system delivers exceptional traction across a wide variety of surfaces while improving stability under heavy loads. It also enhances control during steep climbs and descents and provides added redundancy should a tire become damaged during travel. Supporting this capability is a reinforced suspension setup, upgraded axles, heavy-duty braking components, and advanced drivetrain cooling systems. Together, these upgrades allow the vehicle to operate for extended periods in demanding conditions while maintaining reliability and driver confidence. Technology inside the 2026 Ford F550 6x6 armored camper is centered on awareness, control, and self-sufficiency. A modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen provides access to navigation and vehicle functions, while expedition-focused GPS systems assist with route planning beyond paved roads. Multiple camera views, including rear and side monitoring systems, improve visibility around the vehicle. Advanced diagnostic displays keep drivers informed about vehicle status, while integrated power management systems allow occupants to monitor battery levels, water reserves, electrical consumption, and environmental conditions. Satellite communication capability and optional command center-style control panels further enhance readiness for remote travel. Safety is one area where this vehicle stands apart from conventional recreational vehicles. Depending on configuration, the armored structure may incorporate ballistic-grade steel or advanced composite armor materials, along with reinforced ballistic-resistant glass, run-flat tire systems, strengthened door structures, and underbody protection. In addition to its armor package, the vehicle benefits from Ford's modern safety technologies, including electronic stability control, traction management systems, blind spot monitoring, forward collision alerts, and advanced braking assistance. Together, these systems create a platform designed not only to handle accidents but also to operate in high-threat and high-risk environments. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ford F550 by 6 armored camper occupies the upper end of the specialty vehicle market. Depending on armor specifications, interior configurations, and custom options, pricing in the United States is expected to begin well into the high six-figure range. This reflects the extensive engineering involved, the cost of armored materials, and the specialized labor required to transform a standard Ford F550 into a fully armored six-wheel drive expedition vehicle. From a financial perspective, ownership is driven more by mission requirements than conventional value calculations. Prospective buyers must account for the significant purchase price, increased fuel consumption, specialized insurance coverage, and higher maintenance costs associated with armored components and heavy-duty drivetrain systems. However, for the right customer, this vehicle effectively combines multiple roles into a single platform by providing transportation, living accommodations, security, and off-grid capability all at once. Purchasing opportunities are generally available through specialized expedition vehicle builders and armored vehicle upfitters rather than traditional dealerships. Buyers can choose from a wide range of customization options, including various armor ratings, interior layouts, renewable power systems, water purification equipment, communication packages, off-road enhancements, and luxury upgrades. Additional expenses may include transportation costs, export or regulatory compliance modifications, extended warranty packages, and long-term service agreements covering specialized armored components. One of the strongest selling points of the 2026 Ford F550 by 6 armored camper is its unique combination of mobility, protection, and self-sufficiency. It offers remarkable off-road performance, genuine armored security, long-distance travel capability, fully integrated living amenities, and the ability to operate in locations where conventional RVs and campers would struggle or fail entirely. These qualities make it particularly attractive to high-profile individuals, expedition teams, government contractors, security-focused travelers, and serious overland enthusiasts seeking maximum capability. This brings us to the key question for American buyers. Is this armored 6x6 expedition camper a practical investment for demanding missions, or is it simply one of the most extreme recreational vehicles ever created? In conclusion, the 2026 Ford F550 by 6 armored camper is certainly not intended for everyone. However, for those who require exceptional durability, advanced protection, and complete independence while traveling, it stands among the most capable expedition camper platforms available in the United States today. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Roam Rides for more extreme vehicle content, and leave a comment below telling us whether this armored 6x6 camper is your dream overland machine or simply the wildest camper you've ever seen.